Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. Today we're going in Walgreens to do some awesome candy deals. Guys, the coupons is working. Watch this video to the end because it's also a money maker in here. I picked up 4 of the Butterfingers. Now, I don't know if I should mix them or not, so I'm going to try the 4 at one time first, okay? Then we're going to scan it so we can read the coupon off right here. 2 for 4 right here. And I picked all Butterfingers. Now, slide down. Always check to see it's a coupon. If you do it online and you go over $20 plus, you can use code SPOOKY. But we want to do this in the store, guys. Now, I have a coupon that every year we get this coupon and every year it doesn't work. This year, guys, it works, okay? I done tried it several times. This coupon worked, but you need to buy 3 of those candies on that bag. So you need to do the 2 for 4. You're going to grab 4 bags of candy. Now, let's see what we did. I did the deal once already. I just want to make sure you guys know this is how I'm doing this deal. Today is the 7th. I bought 4 Butterfingers. They're 2 for $4. So they total was 8. I used the manufacturer coupon of $2. The subtotal was 6. I used $5 in Walgreenscash, so I ended up paying $1.80 out of pocket, and look what I got back, $3. You literally can make a moneymaker every week. $3 in registered rewards. Now, and as you can see, that's what I pay out of pocket. Now, I'm going to do this several different ways. I'm going to grab another thing of Butterfingers. And before that, we're going to get to this online deal that I did also, guys. I hate to do this, but, you know, I have to voice over in Walgreens. This is my online deal with the unlimited coupon. That was the one. I bought the Skittles 10. Then they downsized my Mars to 6 bars, and then they gave it back to me. She said she found 4 more. Okay, so I did a total savings of $10. This is the deal. The dime was $3.99. The Skittles, 4 for $4, theater box. So they need to be in the box like I showed you last week, guys. I always say substitute. The dime was a $2 coupon. You're going to use the code PICKUP20. PICKUP20 when you're buying this. And then the theater box candy was $1 off too, as you can see. And it took off $10. It totaled $23 minus $12.40. I redeemed $5 in cash. I had $2 manufacturer coupon. My total was $5.75 out of pocket. So that's what I paid. Before that, it was $10.75. And I did not get any cash back. I'm using that unlimited coupon of $1 off 2 theater boxes of candy. So every 4 that you buy, there'll be 50 cents each. As you can see, I put in 20 boxes. And they totaled $10.75. That is the coupon. This unlimited coupon only worked. This was the one for this week. The one for last week did not even come up for me in my app, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to grab, see these candies? Those are the candies that qualify. Guys, this is something I'm just doing. I don't trust mixing them. So I'm going to grab 4 of the same exact candies, and I'm going to do them in those separations. Now, I'm going to do this other set of Butterfingers. I'm going to use the coupon plus that $3 register reward, and I'm going to keep flipping them, okay? Every coupon, I'm going to hopefully use a $3 register reward. So I'm going to take that $3 register reward. Once I earn, I'm going to use it for the next batch of candy and then on to the next batch. I should end up with a $3 register reward and hopefully another money maker, okay? Now, let's look at some nut candy. Let's look at the Persil. The Persil is actually $9.99. It's on sale for $5.99. They gave us a $2 coupon, guys, right here. $2 coupon. Make sure you hit that coupon and turn it green, because if it's not green, you didn't claim it. And it means $2 off of 140 ounce of Persil laundry detergent. So I am going to grab that detergent, guys. I'm really not doing a lot of heavy shopping this week because I'm kind of getting ready for Halloween. Now, I just want to show you some more deals. They have some buy one, get 2 frees. The Purex is at $8.99. You get 2 of them free. Let's see how good the deal is. $2.99. It's okay. So that's for 21 pack of Purex, which is not a bad deal, but I just feel like it can be better, okay? It depends on what Purex you buy, because the crystals, Purex crystals, are originally $7.79. They're on sale. Buy one, get one free. So, and then the Snuggle is originally $6.49. They're buy one, get one free also. So it just really depends on what you get. Like the Palmolive, I thought this was a good deal, but my coupon didn't pop up because I definitely was going to use it. I didn't get my coupon, so I will not be using that, guys. Okay, let's get to the candy. I just want you all to see the candy and method to the madness. I bought all of when I bought these candies, I bought 4 of the same exact ones every time I bought. I did not buy mixing them up. A lady in front of me tried that, and the coupon did not go through. So I had bought the first set. I was going to mix them, and then I decided to just go and buy all of them the same because I didn't have a problem when I did the Butterfingers. So I did the 100 gram. I bought 4 of the 100 gram, as you saw it in my cart. And then I bought 4 of the Baby Ruths the same exact way. These are all my receipts. Now, what I did was flip back and forth like I said I was going to do. This is the last $3 that I have. And I took this last one, and there it is. And those are the set of Baby Ruths I had. And I used the $3 manufacturer coupon, the registry reward, and then I used the $2 coupon. And then my total was $3.80. I used $3 in Walgreenscash, and I paid 80 cents out of pocket. That's what I did. So I literally flipped every one of these 4 bags that I bought, so that you will know exactly what I'm doing. Now you can do this online, but I don't think you get the $3 registry reward. That's what it is. Now, why would you do it online if you want to flip it in the store the same way it was last week, but those coupons weren't working? So this week the coupon is working. Now, remember also I bought the theater candy. Now, with the theater candy, she said she adjusted, and then she got more for me in the back. So she put my other 4 in here of the M&Ms. Because at first I was like, wait a minute. I said, wait, it's not going to give me. So yes, it did adjust. My unlimited coupon, guys, only worked last week when thank God I activated one at a time. I only activated one in one app. And then I activated the one in this app last night. And I did this one online so that I could use all the codes and all the deals. The candies are a go. We got, guys, stack up on the candies. It's time. Just stock up on all the candies. When you go in the Walgreens are donating to the hurricane victims. So they do not have any water. The waters that's 3 for $8 are wiped out. Okay. So if you can, try and donate to the hurricane victims. My uncle lives in Tennessee. He lost power. His power is back, and he didn't get any flooding. He's in Memphis, Tennessee. So, guys, let's just pray for the hurricane victims. Sometimes we have to stop what we're doing and thank God and thank whoever it is our higher power is. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share Ivy's Coupon Camp. Bye.